What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Alright, so today we're going to be making a polyester jersey similar to the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is navy. I think I made this maybe a year or two ago, but it's a nice jersey. I love them. See, I got the 06 on the left sleeve, big DCYLP going across the chest, nothing on the right sleeve. So we're gonna make a baby blue one today. Okay? Now, well, let me grab it. So here it is, baby blue, similar to the one I'm wearing now. So you guys see that it focus up. Maybe I might be too close, but it is 100% polyester. All right. So I had this for like a year, never did anything with it because I just didn't know what I wanted to put on it. But I bought these New Balances a couple months back, and they have, you know, hints of baby blue in them. Nice yellow, nice shoe. I like these shoes. The New Balance 997s, motion control devices. Nice comfortable shoe. I see myself buying, I've been buying these for maybe 3 months now. Accumulated a good smooth 12 pairs of them. I never wore these ones. They're new. So we're gonna make a jersey to match them, all right? So let's get our jersey set up on the heat press. The heat press is set for 350. All right, and I have a logo that I used in the past that's gonna go perfect to match the shoes. So let me just pour that out. So you might not be able to tell now, but the logo DCYLP is actually yellow, white, and navy blue. Same as we're gonna put this on our left chest, navy, white, and yellow. So let's get right into this joint. Everything's lined up. Just make sure that's where I want it to be. Okay. Slide our tray in. Seconds. Hot feel. Wow. What y'all think? Is it gonna go with the shoes? What y'all think? What y'all think? I'm trying. Can't really. I'm gonna have to show y'all like the end. But now we're gonna put the DCYOP on the right sleeve. We have Teflon pillow. This one. Everything's lined up. Hot peel. Amazing. Here's our right sleeve. Let's go ahead and put some numbers, just like this one, on our left sleeve. So I'm either gonna go with a yellow or a white. Let's see what I got in the stash. Alright, so these letters, got these from FM as well. These can be applied at 325 degrees, applied to polyester or cotton. So we got the solid yellow, we got the yellow with the extra layer around it. We got the white 6. We got the white 0 as well. I don't know. I like the white and the yellow. You know what? Let's just go with the white. Now since these are separate, to make sure they line up properly on the jersey, we're just gonna apply some heat tape to the back to make sure the numbers aren't off or staggered like so. Once I apply them on the sleeve, we want everything to be straight. All right, so let me just line these up real quick. Use the heat tape. Don't mind that noise, this is my kids running around. Okay, so everything's lined up. Heat tape on the back. Here we go. I use the pillow again. And if you didn't know, we're still quarantined. Today's actually Memorial Day. And I did not pick this outfit out because it was Memorial Day. I just so happened to snatch it out of my closet, and I guess it all worked out. Alright, so we got our Teflon pillow in there. Okay. Make sure everything looks straight. I don't want anything to be crooked. Alright, we're going to turn our temp down because it's too high right now. I forgot that quick, y'all, the temperature that it calls for. Okay, 325. Alright, so we're going to let that cool down real quick, and I'll be right back. So we're good to go. The temperature dropped back down to 325. So let's get these numbers pressed up on the sleeve. Look at that. Look at that. So this thing is done. Got me a new nice jersey to go with my New Balances. Alright. There you go. Left chest. Left sleeve. Right sleeve. And since we're still quarantined, I'm probably just gonna wear this in the house on the couch. But hey, at least I got me a new jersey. Alright, now make sure you guys go on the website and see what I got. This one is basically a 101, so this is definitely not gonna be on the website. I just wanted to make this to match my New Balance that I showed you earlier. I'll also leave a picture at the end and show you how they actually match up with the New Balances. All right. Now you can get these transfers made up at FMEXPRESSIONS. Once again, that's where I got them made up from a while ago. I don't even remember when, but I just know that that's the company that manufactured them for me. All right. So until next time, be safe and always choose your own path. Boom.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.